Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start our topic. Today we are talking about an absolute value of an expression. We are not limited to taking the absolute value of just a number. In fact, we can take the absolute value of any mathematical expression like addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as division, and we enclose the entire expression in a pair of absolute value bars. While it's true that the absolute value bars make whatever inside them positive, unless there is an expression which is zero. So there's one important thing we need to say. We must evaluate the expression inside the absolute value bars before taking the absolute value. Here is an example. We have absolute of minus 3 and minus 4, and then we solve. If we solve minus 3 and minus 4, we will get minus 1, and absolute of minus 1 is 1. But this is wrong because we could have performed the absolute operation first by taking away the first negative sign inside the absolute value bars. What we need to do instead is evaluate the expression inside the absolute value bars first and then take the absolute value. This is how we should solve it. Here we have an example: absolute minus 3 minus 4 absolute close. Minus 3 and minus 4 become minus 7, and then we have absolute of minus 7, which is 7. Notice how we first deal with the subtraction problem inside the absolute value bars by evaluating minus 3 minus 4 as minus 7. Only then, once we had evaluated that expression, did we take the absolute value. Here is an example we have. They simplify the expression, and what the expression is: 2 plus absolute 5 minus 9 minus absolute 3. Whenever we have an expression like this one, we have to deal with everything inside the absolute value bars first and then do the rest of the operations. So first we take absolute of minus 3, which is equals to 3. Then we solve absolute 5 minus 9, which is equal to minus 4, and absolute of minus 4 is simple 4. So we have 2 plus 4 minus 3, and minus 3 is 3 times units, 3 units from 0, and then we will get 2 plus 4 is 6, and minus 3 is equals to 3. This is the simplified form, and that's all for my topic. I hope that you will understand this. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.